it's Sean from Simply Be, and here I'm just going to show you my tutorial for my finger coils. So here I have some Eco Styler gel, coconut oil one, then I'm going to be using a Denman brush. I think it has 9 rows. Next I'm going to be using a rat tail comb, small comb, so you can dig those kinks out. So let's see here. I'm just mixing a little bit of gel on my hands. I'm not going to be parting with the comb though. And I'm just taking sections of hair so it can make it easier for myself. I should have had some clips, but whatever. The show must go on. So I'm trying to make sure I get that piece of hair flat. I'm just going to put some more gel on there just to make sure I saturate it all the way to the ends. Because if not, it's going to be a hot mess. And I'm going to make sure I comb those ends. Make sure I can get it as smooth as possible, because since I'm not using a comb, it's not going to be as flat to the root as it can get. So I'm just going to try to do as much as I can with my hands. So I'm just going to take that Denman brush and brush through. And as you can see, it's going to curl up. And then I'm just going to section it piece by piece. And you know what? I just realized this looks like it hurts, but it doesn't. I'm just taking my finger and I'm just rolling my hair into a coil. And sometimes hair is going to get in the coils, but you can just pull those out. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And I'm doing this on a table, so I'm resting my elbows. Listen, you will be tired if you try to do this in the bathroom in the mirror. So I suggest you pull up at the kitchen table, get you a mirror, and handle your business, okay? Listen, look at these coils. All hand, all hand. Okay, as you can see, I'm almost halfway done. I'm just going to continue to part my hair with my hand, and I'm going to coil it in the direction that I want the curl to go in. So you can see that I'm doing the middle towards my face, okay? Yes, so we're finally done. I do have some white residue on my coils, but we're going to handle all that with the dryer. So pop that hood, ladies, and let's get it drying. All right, and it's showtime. Hair dried, makeup on, and we're ready to go. Yep, so here we are 5 days later, and the finger coils are still going strong. I think the older they get, the better they look, but maintenance for nighttime, I just throw a bonnet on. If that, sometimes I don't, and I just sleep like a princess on my hands. But in the morning, sometimes I spray a little water on it. Sometimes I don't, with a little oil. It just depends on my mood. There's no set way to wear this style. I love it because every day I wake up, I know I have definition with minimum frizz, and I can wear this as long as I want until I pick the coils out. Great, right?